Good evening, Southeast Texas. I hope you and your family are doing well. Looking at clear skies outside, very warm and humid at this late hour. This view courtesy of Mid-County Plumbing, looking off to the northwest, part of the Roofing 911 Skycam network. So the shower and thunderstorm activity we're expecting tomorrow will be late day. Friday, probably a 2, could be a 30% coverage. A 2, I say 20% coverage, could be as much as a 30% coverage. A little better chances coming up this weekend, but it's not going to be enough to dampen the dust. Hopefully we can get some of that. Otherwise, it's back to hotter and dry as we work on into the first half of next week. Yeah, it's been hot, but this is the forecast for the next 4 days as far as high temperatures, mid-90s, and it's going to be about 5 degrees above normal, which is 91 for this time of year. But you can see we're nowhere near what we did in 1902. That was the hottest summer ever recorded since 1901. Records began here in Beaumont. Otherwise, then we go to 98, maybe 99, possibly 100 as we head on into next week, but still nowhere close to breaking records. Otherwise, mostly clear skies, nothing on radar across southeast Texas as that south flow off the Gulf of Mexico continues unabated. In Port Arthur, MJ Ponsegra reporting 84. It's 83 in Orange, 81 in Beaumont. Further to the north in Jasper, it's 82. And Jim Monk has a warm 81 in Warren, Texas. Across the state, temperatures in the 80s. Still 90 in Waco, not far behind in the Big D, and I mean Dallas. 93 over into Del Rio. 90 into Lubbock. Just a warm night across southeast Texas. Low pressure, or at least weak low pressure, moving through northwest Texas and water vapor. But you can see the high ridging all the way into our area. Look at that dry air over our area right now. Otherwise, storms are off towards our east. We're going to be watching for the pattern to bring showers and storms and at least a surge or two of moisture our way from the east into our area. Weather's going to be coming from the east coming up, and that's because of upper level high pressure. In the tropics, watching a weak area of disturbed weather in the Caribbean, but that's right along the coastline. Little chance for development. We're not real concerned with that at this point. So tonight looks very warm, very humid. We'll see temperatures dropping into the mid-70s in the lakes area, mid-70s to around 80 in the triangle. And then for tomorrow, it's going to be late afternoon that we see maybe a 20% coverage of showers and thunderstorms trying to develop across the area. That's some hope in the forecast for tomorrow. And it's all due to a surge of moisture. High pressure, let me get your orientation. Okay, see there's South Carolina, Atlanta, Georgia. Flow around high pressure. Easterly flow will be dragging moisture coming on in from the east over the next few days. There's one surge, another surge coming in on Friday, and that may continue through the weekend. So the flow will be from the east as we head through the weekend. On the Gulf of Mexico, slightly choppy seas around 2 feet tomorrow. West and south winds at 5 knots, water temperature 85. Our forecast tonight, mostly clear, warm and humid. A light south wind, mid-70s lakes, mid-70s to around 80 in the triangle. Tomorrow, we'll give it a 20% coverage of late day storms, otherwise partly cloudy, hot and humid. Again, highs mid-90s, but again, I think we could see heat indices around 104, maybe 105 for a few hours tomorrow afternoon. So green bar days Thursday and Friday. Yellow bar days mean disruptive weather, but I wouldn't cancel the parade coming up on Sunday as we're looking at about a 30% coverage for Father's Day and Juneteenth. And then here we go. Could be into the upper 90s to maybe 100 as we work on into next week.